Jpeg Compression. This part will show how Jpeg achieves loosey image compression while maintaining high image quality. Jpeg Compression has 5 steps, which are converting RGB to YUV, dividing into 8x8 blocks, discrete cosine transform, quantization, and zigzag order. This image shows the block diagram for Jpeg encoder and every steps in Jpeg Compression. Step 1. Converting RGB to YUV. The first difference between bitmap and Jpeg is color coding. Bitmap use RGB values while Jpeg use YUV values. We can feel the compression RGB to YUV as the transformation of the coordinate system in 3D color space. YUV color mode stores in terms of its luminance and chrominance. The human eye is less sensitive to chrominance than luminance. Since images have different level of complexity at different parts, it's preferable to split the image and break up image into 8x8 image blocks. Let's say that this 8x8 image contains the following values. The range of the pixels intensities now are from 0 to 255. After subtracting 128 from each of the pixels, we got the following result. The 2D density is applied to each block image Fij, with output being the density coefficients FUV for each block. The quantization spec is the main source for loss in Jpeg compression. This formula represents the quantized density coefficient, which Jpeg will use in the succeeding entropy coding. By using this formula, FUV represents a density coefficient, QUV is a quantization metric entry. Table 1 and 2 shows the default QUV values obtained from psychophysical studies with the goal of maximizing the compression ratio while minimizing perceptual losses in Jpeg image. The last step is zigzag order. It was divided into two, which are DC coefficient and AC coefficient. The DC coefficients are coded separately from the AC coefficient. Differential pulse code modulation is the coding method. RLC aims to turn the FUV values into sets. To make it most likely to hit a long run of zeros, a zigzag scan is used to turn the 8x8 matrix FUV into 64 vectors. The DC and AC coefficients finally undergo an entropy coding step to gain a possible further compression. Then it's done with Jpeg compression.
Created using Powtoon.